Welcome to another installment of things I should pay professionals to do. So we're going to attempt to put these monster vinyl decals on the back of my Charger. And as far as the layout, I'm trying to match the front emblem as much as possible. Looks like it needs to be tilted up a good bit. Looks like it needs to be rotated some here. Like that, maybe. Really want to not have the door handle affected by it. It looks like that would miss it okay. Huh. I feel like that doesn't look too bad. Okay, so I think I've got this leveled out to where it actually looks correct and not tilted down. I want it to match the fender emblem, which hard to see from this angle, but the teeth are more parallel to the ground. And that means that the door handle will have to be covered. So it will go around the door handle now, or over top of it. I think actually what I'm planning on doing, I've seen a lot of people do like half at a time. It's usually front half or back half. And I think my plan is going to be like top half and bottom half. Because the top half is going to be relatively simple. And plus once I get it secured, it's going to be easier to lay out the bottom, I think. But that's just in my own head. Okay, so let's see what happens. All right, so here it is. I'm actually very pleased with it now. I still need to go over it and kind of work out some of the air bubbles once it sits on there for a little while. But I had to go back over the door handle, and I cut another piece right there to kind of blend it in and get out some of the, use the heat gun to get out some of the wrinkles, and it actually turned out pretty nice. I do have one more surprise, and I will show you that now. All right, here it is. You tell me, is this tacky or not? Because it is a red eye. So I feel like this would make it look pretty cool. There it is. Can't really tell. At least not in the garage. But I'm assuming when light hits it, it will probably glow. Okay, it might be too much red since I just did the quarter panel, but now I'm going to swap the badges to the OEM red badges. And I'll show you how I do that. I put tape all the way around it, and then I mark some points of interest there so I can put the new one in place and taped over my scraper. Now I'm going to heat that up a little bit, not hot, and then start scraping it off. Here's what I'm left with, some of the glue residue, and now I'll just start either rubber wheel it or I'll use my thumb for most of it probably. All right, my thumb wasn't working, so I'm going to this. This is just rubber wheel. It helps get off the glue from basically clear coat cars. And I have one, so I thought might as well use it. This is why you want to have multiple points, because during rubber wheeling, this one on the left peeled away, but because I've got more than one, it'll go right there. Look at how that lined up. Perfecto. It's a red eye. Ooh. It's so pretty. Rawr.